Welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the herringbone stitch. I'm going to show you this in this video right now because I'm going to be doing a project with this, and I hope to have that video edited so that I can put it up either later tonight or tomorrow. So for this stitch I'm just going to start with a chain. I believe it is of 10. We're going to go into the second stitch from the end, or chain from the end, and we're going to yarn over, go into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then we're going to take that first loop and go through the second. Yarn over, go through the first loop, yarn over, and go through the two remaining. So look at this one more time, and then I'm going to slow the video down and do some pauses so you can see exactly what the steps are here. So we're going to yarn over, then we're going to go into our chain. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to take that first loop and pull it through the second. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop only, leaving 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. So that is really the herringbone stitch. I guess I should let you know it's the herringbone double crochet stitch. But once you get going, it is pretty easy. Just make sure that you do all of the steps, and it does turn out to be a pretty cool little stitch. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a video hopefully later today or tomorrow using this stitch, so I hope you tune in for that. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments. Also, if you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to Epic Yarn Gems, turn on notifications so that you are notified when I put up a new video. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.